We are going right now to UPS because it says that they have my play button for my YouTube stuff. Yep, so we're going to pick it up. A little bit over a month ago, I actually hit 100K on this channel, and as most of you guys know, you can actually redeem your code for a little 100K play button that YouTube sends out that has your channel name on it and stuff and says congrats for hitting 100K. God. Anyways, to be honest, I kind of forgot about it, and I got an email a few days ago and I never saw it until today, but it basically was saying that since I got it shipped to a PO box, UPS doesn't deliver to PO boxes, so it actually, I believe, is here, and I'm going right now to UPS to go pick it up. Hopefully they haven't sent it back to YouTube yet, because that would be really a bummer. But I'll leave it running for you. We are here at the UPS place right now. No, it's actually an award for like your channel or whatever.
You do videos?
I do videos, yes ma'am.
There you go.
Thank you so much, I appreciate it. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, so excited to go open this thing up. This is sick. This is so sick. Let's go home, open this thing up, and see what it looks like on the inside. I am so pumped. Yeah, that is so cool. I can't wait to get home and open that up. Well, I'm headed home right now, so I will talk to you guys as soon as we get there. Well, I think this is something that we have all been waiting for quite a while. Here we are, we have hit 100K a little bit over a month ago, and now as I'm making this video, we have already surpassed 180,000 subscribers. So seriously, 1 month it took to almost double in size since I even was eligible to get this award. I really, before I even open this, just want to thank you guys so much for all the support. This has been seriously insane, and I know a lot of you guys are wanting to see what is inside of this box as well as I do, so I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you guys so you can see it as well at the same time as me. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, I'm nervous. What happens if they misspell something? It's just a dick. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's do it. I'm gonna read this letter to you guys. This says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged by Clark. And basically it's just, if it was damaged, they give you an email to contact. So the letter says, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight. What? They used my words. Yes, that makes it so much better. If you guys haven't seen my merch, that is seriously like the phrase that I created to go, and everything. It just is like the sole words of this channel is don't lose sight. And that's actually really, really cool. So, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Wow. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you've created. Have you guys really though? They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, the CEO of YouTube. So let's open it and see it. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Oh my gosh. Wow, that is so sweet. Oh my gosh, so they actually changed it from the actual silver play button to an actual plaque now. That is so cool. Wow, and it says presented to It's Just a 6 for passing 100,000 subscribers. That is so sick. I have to be honest, I never thought that this would be a reality. This is seriously crazy. I know a lot of people say stuff like that after getting these, but I mean, I don't even know. I'm lost for words right now. This is crazy. 100,000 it really seemed like so far off just months ago. I remember 6 months ago whenever I started uploading videos regularly, and then 5 months ago whenever I really started taking it seriously, and I was at like 20,000 subscribers, and it was climbing so slow, and I was like, I will never get to 100,000. And I saw people on YouTube opening these awards and was like, wow, that looks like something crazy. And here we are just a few months later opening this award. That is so cool. And it's even more ironic because I mean, a few weeks later I've almost doubled that. And I don't even know, that's just wow. I really cannot wait to see where this channel goes and where everything goes from this. This is gonna be, I mean, seriously, just awesome. This has been like a roller coaster so far. It has completely changed my life. I can't even express in words how grateful I am for that. So for all of you guys, which I know it says 100,000, but for all 180,000 of you guys that are hanging along for the ride on this roller coaster, thank you so much. And I cannot wait to do so much more, have so much fun, and carry you guys along with me. It has been a blast so far, and I really would not trade it for anything. This has been probably one of the most amazing experiences in my life, I can honestly say. I wanted to find somewhere to hang it up inside, but as most of you know, we're going to be moving into a much nicer place coming up pretty soon, probably a little bit over a month or two from now, so that's going to be awesome. Like I said, I'm going to have a garage to actually keep the Mustang in, so that's going to be great. We're really happy that they didn't spell the name wrong. I was really worried about that for some reason. I really want to thank you guys for all the support, everything that you guys have done for me lately. This is just seriously crazy. As you guys can see, the more people that join in with this channel, the more crazy stuff that we're going to be able to do. And here pretty soon, things are about to get wild. We are climbing at like almost insane rates every single day. It's more and more thousands of people that are joining in and subscribing. So huge thanks to everybody that is subscribing. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. As soon as we move into this new place though, it's going to free up so much area for me to have things to work on. Like I said, I'm going to have a garage. I'm going to be able to store this out of the weather. Obviously, if you haven't noticed, I'm going to need another car. I plan on getting a motorcycle, maybe a few motorcycles. I'm planning on maybe building a race truck, maybe even building a track car, strictly for doing autocross and track racing or drifting. I don't know. It's going to be a lot of fun, whatever happens though. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I promise that within these next few months, if everything keeps going like that is, we are going to be doing some seriously wild stuff on this channel. Trust me. I'm going to go put this award back in the box. I'm going to go grab some food, which is why I'm in the car right now. And seriously guys, thank you so much. And YouTube, thank you so much for sending this literally 2 months earlier than what you said that I should be expecting. I'm really hoping that I get to meet all you guys June 23rd at YouTube Call Out up there in North Carolina. It's going to be at Gallet Raceway. It's going to be a blast. I ordered axles just a little bit ago today. I ordered a drive shaft. I've ordered a bunch of suspension parts for this car. The only thing now that I have to be worried about is the transmission or the clutch. Obviously, with the time being, we have 3 weeks until I have to be there. We're not going to be able to swap out a transmission or a clutch in that time. But the axles and drive shafts are a necessity that has to happen. Main thing though is that I'm just going to have to slip the clutch a little bit and not dump it really hard. And other than that, the clutch should be fine. There's a lot of stuff that I'm going to be doing in the next few weeks to get prepped for that event. So I hope you guys are ready. As for today though, that's probably going to be all. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, like this video. Since I got the new award in, comment down below and let me know what you think about YouTube's new design of the awards. And as always guys, until next video.
Yeah. I'm about respecting the check. Cash up front, what I expect. Sometimes I just recollect. Remember when shit got so ugly like Shrek. I got no heart in my chest. Niggas just shot at the set. Young boy, but I still the vet. Bae, I'm a wolf, oh no, I am no pet. You act caboose since you talk out the neck. Trey files the peas, we got all that on deck. Bro got the lean and he charged for the tech. Trappers, no activists, harder to get. Please, what you need, another zip. We move the tree on the strip. Lean limousine.